morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Listen. Last class I can explain what are the points are there common roots. Last class I can explain common roots based on that concept I can already explain that based on some questions, and also generally one equation form is there how to reduce that equation in quadratic form, how to reduce. Listen, some small questions.
Sir, is this first slide?
First slide. Listen, 7 power 1 plus x plus 7 power 1 minus x minus 50 is equal to 0. What is the
Still it
a
is
power?
Not
Listen,
visible, sir.
here that is 7 power, wait, 1 plus x plus 7 power 1 minus x is equal to 50. That is the equation. You can solve. These equations can be converted to quadratic form. How to convert it to quadratic form? Listen, a power m plus n form. What is the a power m plus n formula?
A power
a
m
to the
plus
power
a power
m
m.
plus a to the power n.
A
A
power
power
7 to the
m
m.
power
into a power m into a power n. A power m minus n, what is the formula?
a power m minus
Power
a power n.
m by n. M by n.
A
M by
power
n.
m by a power n.
Equals.
Therefore, here is equal to a power m plus n. How to written? A power
a power
m
m
into a power n. A power m minus n is equal to a power m by a power n. This is the two formulas will be there. That is
Sir,
two.
one doubt.
Ask.
Sir, can't we do since 7 to the power 1 plus x plus 7 to the power 1 minus x, can't we do 7 to the power 1 plus x into 1 minus x?
No. It's not a formula. A power m plus a power n never equal to a power m plus n or a power m minus n.
Okay, sir.
That's why don't do that like this one. Okay.
7 by 7 to the power x
Here
plus
listen.
7 by 7.
7 divide 7 power x plus sorry.
Sir, no, sir.
1 minute. 1
We'll
minute.
get
1 minute.
7 into 7 power x.
1 minute. Here 7 into 7 power x. Next, what is the second term? Second term
7
can
by
be
7 power
written
x.
7
by
by 7 power
7 by
x
7
is
power of x.
equal to 50. In that question, let I can take here, let 7 power x is equal to y. What is that equation? 7y, 7 divide y is equal to 50. Left hand side take LCM. What is the LCM y? You can get
Y.
7y square
7y
plus
square
7. Cross
plus 7
multiply,
equal to
you
50y.
can get 50y.
50y.
All term bring one side. What you get? 7 y
7
square
y square
minus
minus
50y
50y
plus
plus 7 equal
7
to
is
0.
equal to 0. Very
0.
good. Listen. Therefore, this is the equation you can get. How to find out roots of equation? What is the 7 into 7?
49.
49. That's I written that 7 y square minus 49y minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. 7y is common. What you get? Y minus 7 minus of y minus 7 is equal to 0. Do you understand the steps?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, In this one, 7y minus 1 into y minus 7 is equal to 0. What is the y? 1 by 7.
1 by 7
What is the
and
y? 7. 1 by 7. Here y is called a 7 power x. 7 power x is equal to 7 power minus 1. 1 by 7 also written that 7 power minus 1. Here 7 power x is equal to 7 power 1. Compare powers because bases are equal. Bases are equal. You can comparison. What is the x value? Minus 1. X
minus
value
1 and plus 1.
1. Do you understand?
Sir.
Note down.
Sir, how 7y square minus 49y minus 7 plus 7 equal to 0? Once
Here
explain that step.
this equation, you can see this one. Therefore, that is equation will be there. Here listen. 7y square minus 50y plus 7. This is the equation is there. How to find out roots are there? Already I told. Two ways will be there. One is called a formula method. Another one is called a factorization. Here y square quotient is called 7. What is the constant 7? What is the 7 into 7?
49.
49. 49 plus 1 is equal to 50 or not?
50, sir. Yes, sir.
Therefore,
Sir.
I written 50y minus 49y minus y I written. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do
Yes,
it.
sir.
Just to equation given, how to reduce that quadratic form. This is there one of the method of that question. Are you completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, that is one more question. Write down. That is question will be there. Listen. Under square root of x divide 1 plus x plus under square root of 1 plus x by x is equal to 5 by 2. That is the question given. Therefore, here is equal to, that is a root over x by 1 plus x plus root over 1 plus x by x is equal to 5 by 2. By observation, here x by 1 plus x is there, here 1 plus x by x is there. Exactly reciprocal is there or not?
Yes, sir.
It's a reciprocal.
Therefore,
Reciprocal of
here
each.
I can take, let I can take under square root of x by 1 plus x is equal to some y I can take, that is equal to y. Therefore, here is equal to y plus. This is exactly reciprocal. That's why 1 by y is equal to, what is this value is called 5 by 2. Y plus 1 by y is equal to 5 by 2 is there. By observation this one, LCM of this one, what is the LCM? Y will be
Square plus
there.
1 by y.
Very
Y
good.
square plus 1 by
square plus
5 by
1
2
by
y.
y by y square plus 1 by y is equal to 5 by 2.
5 by 2.
Just cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, what you
2y
get?
square plus 2 is equals to 5y.
Very
2y
good.
square plus 2
Is
is
equal
equals
to
to
5y.
5.
Okay.
2y square minus 5y plus 2 is equals to 0.
Very good. 2y
2y
square
square
minus
minus
5y
5y
plus 2 is
plus 2
equal
equal to
to
0.
0.
0.
Listen. Find out roots. What are roots are there? 2y square minus 4y minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. What is the common? 2y common. Y
Y
Sir,
minus
solutions
2.
are 2 and 1 by 2. 2,
Okay,
2 1
good.
by 2 minus 1
Very
by 2.
good. 2 comma 1 by 2. Therefore, 2y
Yes,
minus
sir.
1 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y value 1 by 2, y value 2.
2
Therefore,
plus 2 comma
actually,
plus 1 by 2.
2 comma 1 by 2. I don't want to the y value. I want to the x value. Here y is equal to root over value. What is the y square is equal to? 1 by 4. Y square is equal to 4 will be there. What is the y
4,
square? Y
4
square mean x by 1 plus x is equal
Sir,
to
by
1
4.
x
by
is equals
4.
to 1 by 3. 1 by 3.
Cool. 4x is
X is equals to
equal
1
to
by 3.
1 plus x. 3x is equal to 1. What is the x value? 1 by 3. X value 1 by 3 will be there. Similarly, second one. X by 1 plus x is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4 plus 4x. What is the 3x is equal to? Minus 4. What are x values? 1 by 3 and minus 4 by 3. Do you understand? Understood or not?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
scroll up.
What? Again?
Sir, once could you scroll up?
Wait. First copied this one. You can wait
Copied
2
screen.
minutes. Remaining students also copy. Wait. Just this type of questions are there. Taken some substitution after you can get that equation in the form of quadratic. Quadratic how to solve? Actually, there are two methods. One is called a formula, another one is called a factorization.
Factorization.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Biquadratic equation.
Note down
Biquadratic equation.
properly. Maintain that notes. Because when you revise that these models, you can easy to solve in examination whatever models of question given. All are completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Two,
This is previous slide.
two, two.
over okay. Next, similar model, higher degree is the given. Some more degree given. How to able to here solve that one? What is the equation? Degree 4. 2 here 2x power 4 plus by quadratic equation x cube minus 11x square plus x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation will be there. How to able to solve this equation? When observe this one.
No,
This
sir.
is the model.
No,
So many ways can be find out solution, but you can observe that one small observation. What are that observation? What is the x power 4 quotient?
That's a one of previous slides are writing.
2. And what is the constant? Constant also 2. Therefore, by observation this one, that is less than 1. Here x power 4 quotient and constant is the same, and the x cube quotient and the x quotient same. When like quotients are same given, therefore first
X power
term
of
last term quotient same, second and
1 by
last
x.
before term quotient
1 by x.
same. What
Okay,
are
sir.
doing that method?
And-
What is the middle? Only x square will be there. Therefore, entire equation divide with x square. Entire equation divide with x square. What you get? Here observe 2x square plus x minus 11 plus 1 by x plus 2 by x square is equal to 0. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Here divide with x square. 2x power 4 by x square. 1x square is cancel. You can get 2x square is there. Next term x cube by x
Yes, sir.
square. What is the x cube divide? X square. 1x square
Sir, X.
cancel. You can get x. I written second one. In third one, 11x square by x square. X square cancel 11. After x by x cube. What is the x by x? Sorry, x by x square. X by x square mean what is that value? 1x is cancel. Another 1 by x I written. Do you
1
understand?
by x.
And
Yes,
next
sir.
2 by x square is the same. Any doubt about this one? Here listen. First term and the last term 2 I can take common. What you get? X square plus 1 by x square. Second and the last second term x plus 1 by x. Here minus 11 is equal to 0. 2 into x square plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 by x minus 11 is equal to 0. Here what you take? Let x plus 1 by x is equal to some t I can take. Y or t, any variable you can take an as x plus 1 by x is equal to t. Somebody is the disturbing Aryan Paul. Mute yourself. Here listen. X plus 1 by x is equal to t. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. x square plus 1 by x square plus 2ab, that means 2 is equal to, what is that value?
Minus
T
b plus or
square
minus root over b
x
square minus
square
4ac by
plus
2a.
1 by x square plus 2 is equal to t square. What is the x square plus 1
Root
by
over
x
b square
square
minus
is equal
4ac
to t square
a.
minus 2.
minus
That
2.
value t square minus 2. Substitute in this equation. 2 into, what is this value is called? T square minus 2. Next one, plus t minus 11 is equal to 0. What you get? 2t square plus t will be there. Minus
square plus 2ab
4
plus b
minus 11. What is that value is equal to? Minus 15 is equal to 0. Find out roots of this equation. Find out roots of this equation.
The board is blur, sir.
No, it's clear. Once you check your internet connection. What?
Board is blur, sir.
No, it's clear.
No, sir.
Your internet connection can be weak, board will be blur.
So once go to your previous page.
Why? You ask
Means,
every time, is the repeatedly previous page, previous page?
So many times I have means for me board is blur, sir. So many times I went back and came, sir. Again login, but it is still blur.
That's mean everyone where your Wi-Fi will be there, always keep it that place. Your Wi-Fi weak, suppose here is the Wi-Fi weak, having problem is there. Here is clear. That's why I told to the in your home Wi-Fi not clear, then having problem is there, always board blur. Here 2t square plus t minus 15 is equal to 0. How to find out roots of
5.
equation?
6-5.
6, 5, very good. 2t square plus 6t minus 5t minus 15 is equal to 0. 2t common, t plus 3 minus 5 common, t plus 3 is equal to 0. What is the t value? 5 by 2, t value minus 3. There are two t values will be there. What is the t? T is called x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2. Here x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 3. Solve both equations. Just take LCM and cross multiplication. Sometime question was big, but that models also given in examinations. Because some are simple question, you can take less time can be solved, but some more are difficult question. That questions you can take that some more time.
Okay, sir.
Find out solutions.
Excuse me, sir.
2x square plus 2 is equals to 5x.
Okay. After all term bring one side. All term bring one side. You can get quadratic
2x
equation.
square 2x square minus 5x plus 2.
Very good. That is one equation. What is
4, 1.
that equation? 2x
2x
square
minus 5x
minus
plus 2.
5x plus 2 is equal to 0. 5x can be written 4x plus
4 and
x.
1. 4, 1.
Find out roots of equation. Find x values.
Sir, 2, sir, 2 and 1.
Find
Sir.
x values.
Sir, x value is 4 and 1.
No.
Yes, sir, 2 comma 1 by 2.
2 and 1 by 2. So
Yes, sir, 2 and 1
wants
by
to
2.
check. 2 comma 1 by 2, two values. And one more
Yes, sir.
equation is there. X plus 1 by x is equal to minus 3. Solve that equation.
X square plus 3x plus 1. X square plus 3x plus 1.
Factorization possible, do it. Otherwise, formula you can use. Otherwise,
286.
formula can be used.
2. Sir, 2 is common.
Find out solution using that formula.
143.
What is the formula for quadratic equation? Very good.
11, 13.
Minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. By
1.
2a. That is equation, quadratic equation root this equation using that
Excuse me,
same.
sir.
Ask.
Sir,
Sir,
minus 9
no, sir.
plus root 5. Minus 9 minus root 5.
No. X is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 4 whole divide 2. What is the x value? Minus 3
Minus 3
plus
plus
or
root-
minus root 5 divide 2. Minus 3 plus or minus root 5 divide 2. That is
Positive.
quadratic equation roots
So
are
take x
there.
equal to 11.
What are finally roots? Here 2 1 by 2. Here minus 3 plus or minus
X
root
plus 2.
5 divide 2.
13. Yes,
Some
sir.
students are doing that calculation mistake. Be careful to solve.
11 and 13.
Don't worry about that. Hurry to solve that questions.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
you said.
Calculation is the more, but process is the very simple once you understood. Some students
sir.
came for physics chemistry classes in 11 o'clock time. Many of students are left. But must attend the classes.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Inform any one of your friends.
Sir, once can you show previous slide?
All are completed this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This one.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
No problem. Next. This is there. Then prove that, leave it. There is a unique pair. Unique pair mean only one set of solution. Only one set of solution. That is meaning of unique pair. One set of solution of consecutive odd positive integer. Consecutive odd positive integer such that the sum of squares is 290. Anyone knows that consecutive odd integers? Consecutive odd integers, anyone knows? X plus 2, 1, 3, consecutive odd integer, 1, 3, and wait. Here is
Okay,
there
sir.
3, 5
Bye, sir.
also consecutive odd integer. Any pair you can take. What is the difference? What is the difference? 5 minus 3, 2.
Sir.
3 minus 1, 2. Therefore, difference is equal to 2 will be there. When difference is equal to 2 is there, that consecutive integers let consider. Here observe, let what are numbers I taken? X and x plus 2. One number I can take, another one is equal to x plus 2 I can take. By observation, here sum of the square, what is the given? Sum of the squares is 290. What is the sum of square? X square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to 290. You can expanding in second term. Second term a plus b whole square formula. Anyone knows that a plus b whole square? Very good. Therefore, here x square plus x square plus 4 plus 4x is equal to 290. All term bring one side. What you get? 2x square plus 4x minus 290 minus 4. That is called 296 is equal to 0. Here x square plus 2x minus 2 common, divide with 2. 1, 4, 3 is equal to 0. You have 143 having only 2 factors. What are the 2 factor 143? Divisible by 11. 11 into 13. 11 and 13 difference is equal to 2. Therefore, here x square plus 13x minus 11x minus 143 is equal to 0. Any doubt up to this one? Here, listen, x into x plus 13 minus 11 into x plus 13 is equal to 0. X is equal to 11, x is equal to 13. But in this one listen, therefore, but it's asking that consecutive odd positive integer. What are the positive integers? Here only 11 will be there. X is equal to 11. What is the x plus 2 is equal to 13. Therefore, what are numbers? Numbers is equal to 11 comma 13. Only one pair is the possible. Do you understand?
Sir, numbers are only 11.
Oh.
Okay, sir. Okay.
11 and 13 because of what I taken that numbers are x and x plus 2, x and x plus 2. X is equal to 11 mean what is x plus 2 is equal to 13. Do you understand? Okay, wait 2 minutes only. Your principal sir can be talk with you. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Hello, my dear students. Emma, Vinpistunda?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. How are you?
Good afternoon, fine. So, my name is M. Mallikarjun Raju. I am also a physics lecturer. Okay. After that, we can slowly enter into your Zoom classes. స్లోగా నేను ఎంటర్ అవుతాను. కొంచెం మీరు ఇంకొంచెం సో మన ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఏంటి, ప్యాటర్న్ ఏంటి, ఎలా ఉండాలి ఏంటి, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే. సో జనరల్గా ఇప్పుడున్న స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరూ కూడా తపస్వి యోగి సార్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ 3:30 to 4:30 క్లాసెస్ అవుతాయి. వన్ మ్యాథ్స్ క్లాస్, అనదర్ మ్యాథ్స్ క్లాస్. స్లోగా
From when, sir?
3:30 to 4:30 క్లాస్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్.
Sir, from today it is starting or it started?
Already yesterday we started, but from today you all are risen. Okay? సో ఈ రోజు నుంచి క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అవుద్ది 3:30 to 4:30. ఓకేనా? సో హీఈస్ ద రైటర్, చాలా సీనియర్ లెక్చరర్. మీకు అందరూ ఏ డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా ఐఐటీలో మ్యాథ్స్ ఓరియంటేషన్లో ఏ డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా మీరు డిస్కస్ చేయొచ్చు. ఆయన ఏంటంటే మ్యాక్సిమం మన సార్ కానీ ఆయన కానీ ఇద్దరు కూడా మ్యాథ్స్ ఒక 1A అని 1B అని ఉంటాయి. 2 ట్రాక్స్
Yes, sir.
ఉంటుంది. ఒకసారి ఒక ట్రాక్ చెప్తారు, ఇంకొకసారి ఇంకొక ట్రాక్ చెప్తారు. 2 ట్రాక్స్. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్?
ఓకే సార్,
అందరూ
ఓకే.
అటెండ్ అవ్వాలి. అందరూ 3:30 to 4:30 అటెండ్ అవ్వండి. మీకు నెక్స్ట్ ఈ వీకెండ్ లాస్ట్లో ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ నుంచి ఏంటంటే మీకు డైలీ మీ వాట్సాప్ మీకు ఒక గ్రూప్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం. గ్రూప్ క్రియేట్ చేసి
ఓకే
దాంట్లో
సార్.
మీకు రెగ్యులర్ అసైన్మెంట్స్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా మీకు సెండ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? వాటి ఫాలో అప్ అంతా నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ నుంచి మనం ప్లాన్ చేద్దాం. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? సో నేను అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తున్నాను క్లాసెస్, కొంతమంది చాలా ఫాస్ట్గా అటెండ్, సార్స్ అడిగిన డౌట్స్కి చాలా బాగా చెప్తున్నారు. వెరీ గుడ్. మీరు ఇంకా కొంచెం
ఓకే
ఇప్పుడు
సార్.
హర్ష అసలు మీట్లో పెట్టుకున్నాను చూడండి, మా వాయిస్ కూడా మీకు వినపడదు. సో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇక్కడ కమ్యూనికేషన్ అంతా నెట్లో తెలిసిపోతూ ఉంటుంది. హర్ష. ఓకే. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు మన 1 by 1 కూడా మనం ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుదాం. ఇంకా కొంచెం టైమింగ్ కూడా పెంచుదామా నెక్స్ట్? మీకు ఏమన్నా ఇబ్బంది ఏమైనా ఉందా? 8:30కి రాగలుగుతున్నారా? 9కి స్టార్ట్ చేద్దామా?
ఓకే, ఇంక్రీజ్ టైం.
టైం కూడా స్లోగా ఇంక్రీజ్
sir.
చేద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్
ఓకే
ఇంకొకటి,
సార్.
మార్నింగ్ 8:30 ఓకేనా? 9కి పెడదామా క్లాసు? సరదాగా మీతో
8:30.
డిస్కషన్ మీరు ఓకే
8:30.
ఓకేనా? వెరీ గుడ్ సార్. నాన్న మనకి ఇంకా స్టూడెంట్స్ మేమందరి అంత సూపర్ టాపర్స్ అందరూ వస్తున్నారు. ఇంకా కొందరు ఏంటంటే అవుట్ ఆఫ్ స్టేషన్లో ఉన్నారు, కొంతమంది డిఫరెంట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వల్ల జూమ్లో కూడా ఎంటర్ అవ్వలేకున్నారు. సూపర్ టాపర్ మన పిల్లలందరూ వస్తున్నారు మన దగ్గర. మీరు సాక్షిలో కూడా పేపర్ యాడ్ చూసాం. స్కూల్ టాపర్లు కూడా మనకు చాలామంది ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుతుంది డైలీ. ఈరోజు కూడా 4 members జాయిన్ అయ్యారు డిఫరెంట్ స్కూల్స్ నుంచి ఈరోజు మార్నింగ్. సో కాబట్టి మీరందరూ కూడా ఏంటంటే జాగ్రత్తగా ప్లాన్ చేయండి. ఏ రోజు చెప్పిన సబ్జెక్ట్ ఆ రోజు ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. సో వీఆర్ అచీవ్ ఏ గుడ్ పొజిషన్. మీ అందరికీ మంచి ర్యాంక్స్ని మేము ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసేటట్టుగా ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నాం. మన ఎమ్మెల్యే సార్ కూడా చాలా ఇష్యూగా తీసుకుంటున్నాడు. ఈ వర్క్ను ఎట్లయినా కూడా సూపర్గా మనకు బ్యాచ్ అందరికీ కూడా మెయిన్స్లో కానీ నీట్లో కానీ అందరికీ కూడాను ర్యాంక్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసే విధంగా ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఓకేనా? అలాగే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరైనా ఉన్నా కూడాను మనకు ప్రమోట్ చేయండి. సో వీలైతే మన యాడ్లో ఉన్న నెంబర్ కూడా మీకు నెక్స్ట్ నేను ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తాను మీ అందరికీ. సో మనం గ్రూప్గా దీన్ని ఏ ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నా కూడా నాతో డిస్కస్ చేయొచ్చు. మీకు ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ సాకేత్, ఐ థింక్ కుష్వంత్ నాకు మొన్న వాట్సాప్ చేశాడు, సార్ సెండ్ ఎనీ మెటీరియల్ ఫర్ మీ, ఐ ప్రిపేర్డ్, ఐ హ్యావ్ సమ్ మోర్ టైమ్, నేను ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలని కుష్వంత్ నాకు. ఎస్ ఓకే కుష్వంత్, అది చదివావా? ఆ యూనిట్స్ అండ్ డైమెన్షన్స్ అన్ని పంపించాను. హలో కుష్వంత్. సో అలా అందరికీ కూడా నేను రెస్పాండ్ అవుతాను. మన ఒక గ్రూప్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాను, వాళ్ళకి రెగ్యులర్ మెటీరియల్ పంపిస్తాను. సో అలా మనం పంపించి వర్కౌట్ చేద్దాం. ఓకేనా? టుడే లిసన్ ద క్లాస్ ఫ్రమ్ 3:30 to 4:30 క్లాస్ మ్యాథ్స్. ఓకే
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే.
ఓకేనా? బాయ్.